Hi, welcome to Hard Reset. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up face and eye autofocus settings. I will explain you all you need to know about this mode. So you need to find you can find it in menu in the first block on the 6th page. As you can see, and here we have face, eye, and autofocus settings. So here we have face, eye, priority, and autofocus. So I need to explain it what is the face and eye AF settings. So these settings enhance autofocus by prioritizing faces and eyes. So which is particularly useful for portrait photography. So when this is enabled, so the camera prioritizes detecting and focusing on faces and eyes within the frame, ensuring sharp focus on these critical areas. Of the camera doesn't prioritize face and eyes. Subject detection. So this setting lets you specify what type of subject the camera should prioritize detecting. So human or animals. So human, the camera focuses on human faces and eyes. Animal, the camera focuses on animal faces and eyes, useful for wildlife photography, for example. Right, left, eye select. So here we have auto, of course. So the camera automatically selects the eye to focus on. Right eye, the camera prioritizes the right eye of the subject. Left eye, the camera prioritizes the left eye of subject. So this setting allows you to specify which eye the camera should focus on when eye autofocus is enabled. Because camera can't focus on both eyes on the same time, like you, for example, when looking on the human in front of you, you can't focus on two eyes at the same time, right? So you need to focus on one of them. Face detection frame display. So this setting controls whether the camera displays a frame around detected faces. So when it's on, so the camera displays a frame around detected faces, making it easier to see which faces is focusing on. Off, when it's off, so the camera doesn't display the frame, which can make the viewfinder less cluttered, for example, maybe. Animal eye display. So when it's on, the camera displays a frame around detected animal eyes, making it easier to see which eye it's focusing on, like in human eyes detected. So the same setting. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye.